Hello guys, welcome back to Jobs and Migration TV. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can apply for housekeeping job in Finland with free visa sponsorship. It's free of charge. As you can see, you are not paying anything for it. All you have to do is to watch the video from start to finish, because I'll be showing the step-by-step guide on how you can apply, and also I'll be showing you the requirement. Don't worry guys, there's no too much requirements, only one requirement. Let's say two requirements that is needed. Okay, all you have to do, watch the video from start to finish. I'll be showing you how you can apply, and also the recruitment process, and also the requirement. Okay, as you can see, first of all, you come here. As you can see, this housekeeping job, work in Finland.silkroad.fin, apply housekeeping. As you can see, Silk Road workforce management. You are not paying anything for it, it's free of charge. Okay, the only thing that is needed, I'll be showing you as we progress. Okay, first of all, you fill your first name here, your first name first. The second one is your middle name. As you can see, it's not needed. Yours note, so that you won't be wasting your time filling everything. First thing, the one that is showing this red star, this red dot star, is the one that is very important. Okay, as you can see, this one is important. First name is important, you fill it. Middle name is not important. If you don't have, leave it. Then your last name, also fill it. Okay, and then your email address, you put your email here. As you can see, it's important to fill it. The current country you are in. Okay, the country you are in is not the country you are from, the correct country that you know you can fly from. Okay, you put it here, or put the correct country that you are in. Okay, and then your degree is not important, it's not needed. As I told you, no education is needed. Okay, no education is needed. As you can see, that's why it's not showing a red star, but if you have, you can also include it. Okay, but driving license is important as well. I will advise you, this one is not what is it called, it's not Finland driving license, your country license. That is what they are requesting for, a car license. I will advise you, try and go get a driving license in your country. It's very cheap over there. Try and get the driving license. You can use it here in Finland for 1 year before you apply for Finland driving license. Driving license in your country is very cheap. Anywhere you are, you can be able to use your driving license here, whether you are from Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, in Kenya, Uganda, and so on, Ghana, all my country people. I can see you guys, you can use your country travel license in Finland. Okay, it's cheaper to get in your country, and also it's easier to get. Okay, and the next one is what, your messenger, your Facebook or messenger name, you also include it. And the next thing is, you put your nationality, the country you are from, you put it here. Okay, what is your country, you put it here. Then the next one is your country of birth. As you can see, it's important. Take note of this red star, it's important. Okay, you put your country of birth. Okay, and the next thing, when could you start your work in Finland? The date that you know you can start your work in Finland. If it's this month, and you can click month. If it's when, any month that you know you can start your job in Finland, you can just impute it on it. Okay, just put it. As you can see, yes, that is how it's done. Then the next thing, what is next? This one you put yes, it's a must. You must put yes, don't put no place. Try and get your driving license. Your country, put your country. Okay, any country you are, just put it there. Okay, your email address you put as well. Then you come here. Do you intend to fly straight from the country you are currently in? If yes, you put yes. If no, you put no. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm putting yes. And then you read this consent, then you click, and then you submit it. You click I'm not a robot, read this one, then you submit the form. After that, they will get back to you. But let me show you how the recruitment process goes. Okay, let's come here. What are the recruitment process? As you can see, first of all is signing up. Don't worry about this, it's not for nurses or caregivers, okay? It's for housekeeping, as I showed you before. It's for housekeeping. First things, you will receive an email with a different link to attend one of the upcoming orientation. In the orientation, they are going to tell you everything that you need to know. They are going to answer all your questions, okay? Let's watch this video so you will know what we are talking about.
Let's take a quick look at the Silk Road recruitment process. To get started, simply visit our website and fill out the form. After completing an online orientation, you'll receive a self-study kit to prepare for your interview. Once you've passed the interview, it's time to begin your language training. The length of training can vary based on individual factors, but can be adjusted to fit your schedule. We're here to support you every step of the way until you reach the required skill level. We'll also help you choose an employer and begin the residence permit process after 6 weeks of study. When your training is complete, it's time to fly to Finland. We'll meet you at the airport and take you to your new apartment and help you get settled into your new city and workplace. We'll assist with DVV, the tax office, opening bank accounts, and anything else you need to get started with everyday life in Finland. And don't forget, we offer 24/7 phone support for any questions or concerns that may arise.
Welcome back, guys. So that was it. As everything that is explained there, that is it, okay? So recruitment process is step-by-step guide. It is very simple. First of all is please visit Silk Road, work in Silk Road, and you complete the sign-up form. That is the form that I showed you before. After that, you will receive a link to participate in one of our weekly online orientation. If you have just applied, check your email. You already gotten the link to apply. You select the day that you know you will be available, then you attend it, okay? During the orientation, you will learn about work and life in Finland. You will also fill out a consent form and receive a separate email to submit your document for verification, okay? After you have received your word, after you have attended this orientation from the first step, the next one is what? They will give you a link that you will use to submit all your documents. After that, we have a self-studies kit for the Finnish language, okay? As you can see, it says it's typically around 3 weeks, okay? After that, they will book you for interview. Once your documents are approved, you will receive the link to schedule your interview. The link will consist of questions related to the materials covered in your self-studies, okay? After that is language studies. Upon successful passing the interview, you will be enrolled in our free language study program, which is typically lasts between 6 to 12 months. During this period, we also initiate the resident permit process and sign an employment contract with your employer. Don't worry, guys, it's not up to this 6 to 12 months that they are saying, okay? But they are just saying it's the maximum, okay? Alright, guys, please do to like this video, okay? If you haven't liked the video, the requirement, there's no requirement. This one is for caregivers, okay? There's no requirement for what is it called, for housekeeping. The only requirement that you saw there just now was just clean driving license, okay? That is the only requirement that is needed. If you want to contact them, if you have any question regarding your employment, you can simply contact them using this contact us. First of all, you put your email address. If you want to include your name, that one is up to you, but it's not really necessary. And then you put the message, your questions or anything that you want to ask them, you put it here, and then you click I'm not a robot again, and then you click submit form. It is as simple as that, guys. Please do well to take this step very seriously, okay? It's free recruitment. You are not paying anything for it. Forget about UK, forget about Canada. Focus on this Silk Road. Focus on Finland, okay? Finland, they are accepting international applicants. All you have to do is to apply. After you apply, it's straightforward, okay? Alright, guys, see you in my next video, guys.